Welcome to this explainer. We're diving into the wild, ancient, and microscopic science behind your everyday sneezes. So, let's tackle a fun mystery. Why do we usually sneeze in clusters of 2 or 3?
Well, to get it, we gotta bust a myth. You've probably heard sneezes clock 224 miles per hour.
Actually, high-speed cameras proved that's totally false. Our sneezes only reach a sluggish 10 miles per hour. Since they're kinda slow, one isn't enough. Enter the buddy system. A second sneeze basically means the first failed. Right, if that first blast doesn't clear the junk from your nose, your body just automatically fires again. So, sneeze 15 times in a row, your nerves probably just lack that forceful punch to clear it out. But hey, it's not just dust. Believe it or not, bright sunlight triggers sneezes for 20% of us. Dust or light, what's actually happening deep down inside our nervous system when we sneeze? It all comes down to a hardwired physical pathway running straight from your nose to your brainstem. Scientists recently found neuromedin B, or NMB. It's this tiny little neuropeptide acting as the ultimate sneeze signal. Irritants hit your nose, sensors release NMB, and boom, your brainstem commands that forceful blast of air. Now, this complex reflex didn't just start with us humans, or even mammals. It goes way, way back. We can literally trace the sneeze back 600 million years to the completely brainless ancient sea sponge. They filter water, trap waste and mucus, and then squeeze their whole bodies to literally push it out. But get this, our sneezes take a fraction of a second, while a sponge takes 30 whole minutes. So, next time you feel that tickle coming on, will you remember your 600 million-year-old evolutionary roots?